Every night, the human body appears to shut down. Your eyes close, your muscles relax, and awareness fades. But inside the brain, activity is only beginning. Sleep is controlled by an internal clock known as the circadian rhythm. This clock responds mainly to light. As darkness increases, the brain releases melatonin, a signal that it's time to rest. When morning light arrives, melatonin drops and the brain prepares the body to wake. Throughout the night, the body doesn't stay in one state. Instead, it travels through repeating sleep cycles. The first phase is light sleep. Breathing slows, heart rate decreases, and the body begins disconnecting from the outside world. In the next phase, sleep deepens. Brain waves slow significantly, body temperature drops, and movement becomes difficult. This is the stage where the body starts physical repair. Cells rebuild tissue, muscles recover, and energy stores are restored. After deep sleep comes the most unusual phase, dream sleep. During this period, the brain becomes highly active, almost similar to when you're awake, yet the body remains temporarily unable to move. This protective mechanism prevents you from acting out dreams. While you dream, the brain processes memories, filters information, and regulates emotions. By morning, your brain has reorganized experiences from the day before. You wake not just rested, but mentally reset. However, modern habits interfere with this process. Artificial light, stress, and irregular schedules shorten sleep duration and disrupt its rhythm. Consistently sleeping too little affects concentration, immunity, mood, and long-term health. Sleep is not wasted time. It is a biological maintenance cycle essential for both the body and the mind. Each night, your brain cleans, repairs, and prepares you for another day. Daily human body and brain facts. Follow fact verse.